Have a great day. No. You can come in.
I'm going to get my newspaper, sliced cheese, and I'll come back and make me a grilled cheese sandwich.
Okay.
But then for one thing, where's the toast?
Under the sink.
Penny not gonna eat. She ain't telling me it broke.
No, it's not. He has no clue he's on the video. And my husband is retired, so he doesn't have to go out to work. Okay. And my hair is finished. Now you just tell me, because I could have put this part up as well. I'm going to turn around and see what that looks like. And that's my hairstyle for today. I'm going to pull that back a little bit tighter because I like that look like this better than this. And I hope you saw the difference. And I hope it does what I want it to do. And this is a sister who loves her locks and a sister who loves her husband. And so I want you to share, like, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video with your friends. It's really short and quick. And this may be it for today. On tomorrow, I'll give you some more highlights from my week, which was a really good week, and tomorrow is my last day of work until January. You will see me tomorrow. Have a great day.